friends, today I am unboxing Fego float from Feel Good Innovations Private Limited. It's an air suspension seat which we can use on our bikes. I hope it will be very much useful on my long rides. And this is a product. It comes with a rain cover also, so we can use it on rainy conditions. There are two elastic straps by which we can assemble it on our seat. Let's remove the cover. This is available in two colors. I got the brownish one and black is the other one. By looks, brown looks little more suitable on my bike also. Let us see what is inside the leather material. There is a knob by which we can inflate the cushion, which I guess is made of rubber. Look closely. This is a pictorial representation of the rubber cushion and knob. You can inflate the air cushion using a hand pump, or on occasions you can use your mouth also. It is originally priced 2500 and on Amazon there are some offers also. So that's it. I will come up with a detailed review of the product on the coming days. If you are planning to buy a similar kind of seat, you can use the link in the description also. And thank you for watching.